Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Az-Zukhruf 43, 36 and 37. Now we are coming to these verses I'm reading is how the shaitan is misguiding general mankind. First it was Adam, then the messengers, and now general mankind I'm reading. وَمَنْ يَعْشُ عَنْ ذِكْرِ الرَّحْمَنِ نُقَيِّدْ لَهُ شَيْطَانًا فَهُوَ لَهُ قَرِينٌ وَإِنَّهُمْ لَيَصُدُّونَهُمْ عَنِ السَّبِيلِ وَيَحْسَبُونَ أَنَّهُمْ مُهْتَدُونَ. And whoever is dim-sighted about the remembrance of most gracious, we barter for him a shaitan, the Satan, so he will be connected for him, and they will definitely oppose them about the way, and they will calculate they are the guided ones. Now in this ayah Allah says those who are dim-sighted from the Quran, meaning people who do not know. This is the Quran I hold in my hand is a book, and when I read the ayahs is the Quran, and people who do not know the contents of this book, they are dim-sighted. They don't have the sight of the book. So let's say وَمَنْ يَعْشُ عَنْ ذِكْرِ الرَّحْمَنِ, whoever is dim-sighted about the remembrance of most gracious, who do not know the essence or what it contents are, we barter for him a shaitan, so he will be connected to him, for him. That means Allah will barter the messenger personality and he will give to him a shaitan. The Satan is appointed on him, who do not know the message of the book of Quran. This is the sentence in the ayat, and believe me that majority of the people of the world, Muslims and non-Muslims, label Muslims and Muslims whatever, these people do not know the contents of the message of Allah. The shaitan is appointed on him or bartered for him, and he is well connected to him. And these shayatins, they say they will definitely oppose them about the way of Allah, and they will calculate they are the guided ones. This shaitan will not let you read the book, will not let you understand the essence of the message of Allah's book. They will oppose you, and we people are thinking we are the guided ones. This Satan always makes you dim-sighted. Do not know the book. Do not know the essence. Do not, because the moment you know the shaitan to catch hold of him. So this is what he is doing it. And he thinks he's right. He's guided right. Because he's on the opposite, he's sitting on the straight path, he's guiding you right. He thinks right. So now Allah is telling us how to remove this shaitan. Surah An-Nahl 16, 98 to 100. فَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ إِنَّهُ لَيْسَ لَهُ سُلْطَانٌ عَلَى الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَلَى رَبِّهِمْ يَتَوَكَّلُونَ إِنَّمَا سُلْطَانُهُ عَلَى الَّذِينَ يَتَوَلَّوْنَهُ وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ بِهِ مُشْرِكُونَ. So when you read the Quran and seek Allah's protection from the shaitan, the Satan, the stone, surely he has no authority over those who believe and over those who put their trust over their Lord. Surely he has authority over those who make him as a protector and those who associate with him. In this ayah, Allah is telling us how to remove the shaitan on you. He's on you because Allah said that if you are dim-sighted, the shaitan is appointed. He's been bartered for on us. So Allah says, whenever you read the Quran, فَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ. Seek Allah's protection from the shaitan, the stone. So I read before also, أَعُوذُ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ. I seek refuge with Allah from the shaitan, the stone. When I said this, I mean what I said. That I am fearful, I am afraid that he is there with my psychology. He's continuously trying to misguide me, continuously trying to give me information in your mind which is not true. He will delude me. He will do so many. He will coming from the front, he's coming from the right, he's coming from the left, he's coming from behind. All the time he's sitting on the straight path. So I have to seek Allah's protection. فَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ. Seek, whenever you read the Quran, seek Allah's protection. فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ. So seek Allah's protection because he will not let you know the book. Because the zikr, he's made our eyes dim-sighted about the book. And he's making us realize that you are on the straight path. Meaning you are not wrong. You are right. You are good. So how to open our eyes? So Allah says, whenever you read the Quran, meaning you must be conscious whenever you are reading the Quran, you must know that the shaitan is there in my thoughts. He will, even the reading of the ayat, the concept of the ayat is being diluted by his concepts. You cannot understand the truth because he is deluding you. The moment you read, something else comes in your mind. So it's a continuous process. Because he says further, إِنَّهُ لَيْسَ لَهُ سُلْطَانُ عَلَى الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَلَى رَبِّهِمْ يَتَوَكَّلُونَ. Surely the shaitan has no authority over those who believe and over those who put their trust over the Lord. Means you have to trust Allah, that Allah will protect you when you are seeking His protection in the true sense. And if you will not do, so Allah says, surely His authority over those who make Him as a protector and those who associate with Him. If you do not trust in Allah, if you do not believe in Allah, then the shaitan becomes an authority over you because you have taken him as a protector, his friend. And you will associate with him. So his authority cannot be on those who put their trust on Allah when they say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajim, I seek refuge with Allah from the shaitan, the stone, in the true sense, in the meanings of the words. Then only he is your protector and you are seeking is Allah's guidance.